you're watching this after solving the problem. The goal of this problem is to practice the KVL and KCL equations, and after this you have to become confident enough about using them. For the first circuit, we know the current over these 2 ohm resistance, so we can tell the voltage across these two parallel resistances are 2 volt. 2 volt across 1 ohm resistance, so the current here, I sub x, is 2 amp. The KCL equations at this node gives the current across passing through this 3 ohm resistance as the sum of 1 amp plus 2 amp. Hence there is 3 amp current passing through this 3 ohm resistance. So the voltage across this 3 ohm resistance will be 9, and 9 plus 2 gives Vx as 11 volts. For the second circuit, we know that the current passing through this 1 kilo ohm resistance is 3 milliamp. Hence the voltage across it is 3 volt. Knowing that the voltage difference between this node and that node is 3 volt, hence the voltage across this resistance here is 1 volt. Knowing that the voltage across this 1k ohm resistance will be 9 volt. So the current passed through this would be 9 milliamp. Writing the KCL at this node gives the current passing through this resistance here as 12 milliamp. Knowing the voltage across this resistance and the current passing through it, you can find the resistance here as 1 volt over 12 milliamp, 83 ohm. Here, you can start from this node, from this element that you know the voltage across it. So the current passed through this resistance is 2 amp. Knowing that, you can tell, writing the KCL at this node, you can tell that the current passed through this 2 ohm resistance is 4 amp. Hence the voltage at this node will be 8 volt. 8 volt plus 2 volt, you can find the voltage at this node as 10 volt. By definition, the current through this branch is 1 amp, as this is the current source, independent of the voltage across this. So there's no way you can tell what is the voltage at this node. You need the rest of circuit to tell it. But with this information given, you may not find the voltage at this node. So this will be as the unknown. This is 3 amp. This is 2 amp. Note the directions. So the current passing through this 2 ohm resistance, writing the KCL at this node, is 3 amp, and the direction is this way. So the voltage across this 2 ohm resistance is 6 volt, giving the 16 volt voltage at this node. This voltage source here gives me the voltage at this node as 12 volt. But there is no information about the current passing through this branch, as this is the ideal voltage source. Hence, you cannot find the current passing through this 2 ohm resistance because there is an unknown at the KCL if you're trying to write at this node. So there's no way to tell what is the voltage here also. Because the current passing through this branch is unknown, you cannot tell the current passing through this 1 ohm resistance, and the same voltage for this node, it will remain unknown. You need the rest of the circuit to tell these unknown parameters. Okay, hope you enjoyed it. Ciao.